A is for aubergine. Aubergine. B for broccoli. Broccoli. C is for carrot. Carrot. D is for daikon radish. Daikon radish. E is for edamame. Edamame. F is for fennel. Fennel. G is for garlic. Garlic. H is for horseradish. Horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. Jalapeno. K is for kale. Kale. L is for leek. Leek. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. N is for napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. O is for onion. Onion. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q is for queen vegetable. Queen vegetable. R is for radish. Radish. S is for squash. Squash. T is for turnip. Turnip. U is for underground vegetable. Underground vegetables. V is for Viking. Viking. W is for watercress. Watercress. X is for X-ray. Y is for yam. Yam. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.